Eggs are a very good source of inexpensive, high-quality protein. More than half the protein of an egg is found in the egg white, which also includes vitamin B2 and lower amounts of fat than the yolk. Eggs are rich sources of selenium, vitamin D, B6, B12 and minerals such as zinc, iron and copper. Egg yolks contain more calories and fat than the whites. They are a source of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K. Add lots of Union's olive oil to a non-stick skillet over low heat. Make sure the olive oil covers the entire skillet. Pour in the eggs and gently stir eggs as they cook. Remove the eggs when they are set, but still moist. Getting started, 2 eggs per person is usually about right for scrambling purposes, so crack them in the bowl and we'll get started. Heat a medium-sized saucepan, or a small non-stick frying pan, and after a minute or so, add a teaspoon of butter. Add more depending on how many eggs you are scrambling. Scrambled egg sandwich. This one's my favorite breakfast recipe of all time. The eggs are mildly seasoned and cooked for only a few seconds. Thanks for watching.